Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on your Samsung S23 FE. So first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the screen protector or case, and let me explain why. Basically, whenever we have our screen protector and it's not applied perfectly all around the screen, but it's going off to those edges or the side of the phone, then it's already bad. We want to remove it, and that's because of ghost touches that might be happening here or here. So we don't want it. The ghost touch is basically a problem where something's just clicking on your screen and it wasn't you. So you want to make sure that you have no ghost touches here, and to do that you need to remove the screen protector if it's not applied properly. Now for the case, I do not have one, but if your case is covering the bezels, so let me open up an app real quick. As you guys can see, we got those dark parts between the screen and the sides of the phone. Now, if our case is going over it and going onto the screen, that is bad. We don't want it, because this might also cause the ghost touches. We don't want nothing to be on our screen. So, as you guys can see next, what we're going to do is we're going to clean our screen to remove any debris or moisture. And we are using a microfiber cloth for it. So there's a little bonus. Of course, we're gonna also get rid of the fingerprints. So let's give it a few swipes. 3 or 4 swipes is definitely enough, 2 for each side of the phone. And after that, what you guys want to do is simply restart your phone. So it's very important to restart your phone. Now, if you got a problem with ghost touches, and if you press power button and the volume down button, you automatically leave this section. What you guys want to do is hold the power button and the volume down button until your screen goes black and until you get a vibration. So now the screen went black and I got the vibration. So now the phone is restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second. Now after that restart, what we're gonna do as a last resort is update our software. So we want to make sure that we are on the latest version. We're gonna open up settings, and here scroll all the way down until we see software update. So this is the third option from the bottom. Now we're gonna click download and install. Here we check for updates. As you guys can see, I am on the latest version, and by the way, you need Wi-Fi for this, so make sure that you are connected. As you guys can see, I am on the latest version, but if you guys are not, then I recommend you updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version. So for the time of this recording, it's One UI 8.0 and Android 16. And if you do not update your software, then you will be stuck with all the glitches on your device. You don't want it, because new softwares usually fix all the glitches. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.